Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. I'm going to show you how to replace the wire frame that's inside your pop-up soft trunk. We've cut away the front of this pop-up soft trunk so that you can get a better look at the process. So this pop-up soft trunk has a wire frame that's completely in place right now. You see here's the side leg bar that goes across the front of the trunk, other side leg over here, and then we're going to go ahead and take this out. I wanted to show it to you in the finished position first. I'm going to loosen up this Velcro here. There's a piece of rigid plastic that can slide out, and that's okay. We'll just push that back in if we need to. I'm going to go ahead and collapse the wire frame. And we're going to draw this piece of the wire frame out from underneath that lid. So now if you're replacing your wire frame, this is what you're going to receive, and this is what we need to put back inside the pop-up soft trunk. We'll do that. Unfortunately, we can't go through the front because your front will be completely intact on yours. So we have to put it in through the opening. Put it in at a little bit of a diagonal just to get it to fit in. And slide this through. We have to get this wire frame down to the bottom of the duffel bag, basically. Okay. Then, I'm going to undo those Velcro tabs. I'm going to slide that wire bar up into the lid. And you'll have to take the back corner of the wire frame, and pull it up towards the back corner of the duffel on either side. Once the wire frame is inside of the lid, we can clip those Velcro tabs down, and that'll hold everything up inside of the lid. Now, we just have to pull the corner of the wire frame, right there. We want that into the top, the very top corner of the duffel. Same thing over on this side. Get that up into the top corner. From there, we'll slide the legs down until they click into place. Same thing over on that side. You've just replaced the wire frame in your pop-up soft trunk.